Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out.
Oh, good doggy.
Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we just have one item shipped from Primary Arms. Feel free to check them out. They have a very large variety of items available. So feel free to check them out. Primary Arms. And let's go ahead and open you up. Thank you. Away. And reinforced tape. Let's see what we can do with this here. Got it? Yep. Alright, let's see. We have some sort of packing this label. We have paper packing, large enough to be a target, and just one item. So what we have here, it's actually a little some wear marks, probably from storage, etc. This is a SUREFIRE Warcomp. Look over there real close. 7.62 AK47. This is a 7.62 millimeter, and according to the description, flash hider suppressor adapter 14 by 1 millimeter left hand LH. Alright, so I don't need that anymore. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. SUREFIRE Warcomp 7.62 millimeter AK47 fits AK47 variants. Mount for SOCOM 7.62 suppressors. We have an icon for suppressor adapter right there. Look at the back. We have logos for precision machined, stay on target, reduce muzzle flash, combat proven, heat treated stainless steel, various thread sizes available, fits most firearms. SUREFIRE, the world's finest illumination tools, suppressors, and tactical products. Barcode, disclaimer, and safety warnings. Let's see if this will let us open it. So let's take a look at all the materials here. Comes with a little tube of SUREFIRE labeled rock set. And sponges at both ends. Here's the actual item itself. Still has some of the tooling, separation fluid on there. So you can see it has multiple ports. Here's the midpoint for the SOCOM variant mounted accessories. 3-prong. It's got quite the ring to it. Anyhow, we'll let that ring while we take a look at this end. That's where your threads are going to be. That's the business end. And again, multiple ports. So that would be, looks like set up this way would be upright. And I guess you can also tune it in various directions as well. Let's see what they included with this kit, because these are going to be slightly different than, say, other NATO pattern flash hiders, threading. I haven't seen this before, so let's see. We have that inventory included. Let's see in packaging. You got the suppressor adapter, shim spacer kit, 3-prong wrench, as applies. User manual rock set. Required tools: acetone or residue-free degreaser. That is true because it does seem to have some sort of product still on it, plus your item that you'll be adding it to will need cleaning. Cleaning cloth, cotton swabs, brass brush, half-inch torque driver, minimum 20 foot-pounds, M16 wrench as needed, 36 millimeter wrench. And they suggest the SUREFIRE muzzle brake 50. Oh, for that platform. Installation instructions. Chamfered edge. And there's a note there. I'll let you read that real quick. Pause. And diagram, removal of factory and crush washer. Well, we don't have that because this is the AK platform. That tends to have a button detent, and then it just unscrews from there. So here they say apply the degreaser to the muzzle threads. And all these other instructions to get rid of the residue and to clean. And the diagram there. Refer to timing wheel charts on pages 5 through 10 for appropriate shim stack recommendation. That being these. These are a lot smaller diameter than definitely the whatchamacallit, the NATO sized ones. But those are 5/8 by 24 typically. Let's see what else we got there. And we venture next page. Dry fit recommendations for best timing. It shows you there the stacking order. So they have step 4, and then a bunch of notes there. Step 5, step 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here we have directional clocking for 5, 5, 6. Let's see what else we got here. Timing wheel for 28 threads per inch. Timing wheel for 1 millimeter and 24 threads per inch. I do believe we'll be looking for that one. This one's timing wheel for 1.5 millimeter and 18 threads per inch. Timing wheel left-handed for 1 millimeter. This is the only one. And 24 threads per inch. Timing wheel for 32 millimeter threads per inch. Timing wheel for 14 threads per inch. So depending on which specific model of Warcomp you got for whichever barrel end that's threaded, you would like match up the appropriate timing wheel for the shim stack. So if from my prior experience using these products, if you want it actually to point actually very straight up, you test fit the stacks and usually get it very close, and then you use your torque wrench to complete the location setting the way you want it. So again, your shim stack, a variety of various thicknesses. This one is very thick, and then they'll have other thickness dimensions you can sort of see there. And there's our label on that packet. The 2 spongies our muzzle device came with, the device itself, the 3-prong tool, instructions with the timing wheel diagrams, the outside label. All these are pertaining to this SUREFIRE Warcomp, and this one is for the AK47 variants at a 14 by 1 millimeter left-hand thread pitch. So again, these all came from Primary Arms, so feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items on their website. So again, Primary Arms. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We do also show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics, as well as a selection of book review and media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.